Peace. Alright guys, welcome to day 5 on creating a sourdough starter from scratch. So we're going to keep this formula going, feeding the starter every 12 hours until about the 7th day. And then once we get it on the 7th day, we're going to adjust our numbers and we should be done with creating our sourdough starter from scratch. So I'm going to record each one of these, but the numbers aren't going to change at all. It's still going to be the same numbers again and again until we get to that 7th day. So we're going to be doing 75 grams mixture of starter, 50 grams of rye, 50 grams of all-purpose, and 115 grams of water, and repeat it all over again later in the afternoon. So let's do it. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to stir down our starter, and you see all these bubbles and all that activity, and the webbiness, that's good. That means we have an active starter. And you can start keeping this mixture now onward and use it for a variety of different sourdough discard recipes. We stirred that down, pour our new jar on, turn the weight on, cool, 75 grams. Now we're going to do our 50 grams of rye. Turn our scale down. We're going to add 115 grams of water. And guys, let's stir it all up. And that's all there is to it. By now you guys should be getting used to the whole rhythm of your starter. You should be tracking when it peaks throughout the day, which is very important because then you can time everything. So if I know my sourdough starter is peaking at 5 or 7, I can time that with when I mix it into my dough for my bread to get the maximum amount of rise and strength, which is really great. All right. Okay guys, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna take our lid, throw that sucker over. Transfer over our sticker and our rubber band to check our progress. I will see you guys on day 6.